So our next question, you mentioned a gloss on some of the digging tools that had shown heavy use. Is this natural from friction or human as a means to protect them? So the sheen or the luster that is seen on the surface of stone tools is sometimes called hoe polish or use polish. Nearly all of the stone tools in the Science Center's collection that have this sheen, this polish, are the hoes, are stone hoes. And agricultural tools like hoes were used primarily for digging furrows in the soil. The silicates in the soil cause that gloss, and the silicates are a result of plant decay that happens over time and is absorbed by the soil. The amount of polish varies from specimen to specimen, but it does reflect the amount of actual usage of that tool working in the soil. Repeated friction of the tools with the soil and extensive digging provides us with pretty firm evidence for tool use, actually. So in other words, we know these tools were used in the soil because of the presence of that polish. Additionally, the cutting edge of these tools is frequently damaged from striking objects like rocks in the soil, and evidence for reworking or sharpening the edge is commonly present. The Mississippian economy was based largely on corn agriculture, and early on, the Mississippians expanded their small gardens into larger farms, and they started clearing and planting many fields near these towns and villages. And eventually the bounty of food that they were growing supported the growth of these towns into larger cities and cultural centers like Cahokia. And agriculture really created and sustained Mississippian life. Plant cultivation, of course, required a variety of tools, including hoes, to till that ground before planting and weeding could happen. And as mentioned before, the Mississippians made hoes out of large freshwater mussel shells, as well as the shoulder blade bone of different animals, in addition to stone. While we can't really see the sheen on these shell hoes or the animal bone hoes, we can certainly see evidence of their use on the stone hoes. So thank you so much. That was a great question.